Welcome to our demo where you will see how DeepStream helps procurement teams move faster without sacrificing control, turning scattered internal inputs into a structured compliant RFX and complex supplier responses into a clear defensible award decision. We are going to work with a multi-regional field service requirement covering installations, break-fix work, 24/7 response, regional coverage and NOC reporting as well, because this is a perfect example where procurement teams need both speed and control. We will start by uploading the sourcing materials, including an RFP pack, a supplier questionnaire, and required documents. The moment we hit create, DeepStream launches multiple AI agents parallelly, including an analyzer, drafter, critic, refiner, supplier finder, and assembler. Each one plays a significant role, from understanding the input to structuring the content to improving and finalizing the RFX, so that the RFX is not just generated but progressively analyzed, challenged, and refined. One of the most powerful steps is the critic agent, powered by the Virtual Center of Excellence, which checks the RFX against customer requirements, category guidance, and sourcing best practices. It acts as an embedded governance layer, combining customer policies, templates, and category-specific rules, along with DeepStream's procurement intelligence to ensure critical requirements are not missed or not underspecified. In this case, the AI has flagged 3 main gaps for us, meaning that the RFX is actively stress-tested before it ever reaches suppliers. First, we have supplier coverage. It adds structured regional SLA and delivery requirements, so suppliers must prove real capability, not just claim national coverage. Second is performance management. It introduces clear remedies for missed KPIs, including service credits, corrective action plans, and escalation paths. Finally, accountability. It clarifies bailiff, access, and reinstatement responsibilities with a clear ownership matrix. The result is a stronger RFX that's not just faster to build, but also more complete, comparable, compliant, and contractable. Once refined, then the assembler produces the final RFX, including its summary, pricing details, questions, requested documents, and other items to bid on, ready for the buyer to review, tweak if needed, and launch to suppliers. Importantly, the buyer stays in control. AI just accelerates the structure and catches gaps, but humans remain in charge of the final event and decisions. Then, traditionally, once suppliers respond, evaluators need to work through multiple proposals and supported documents to understand the differences between supplier responses, which are often inconsistent, unstructured, and submitted in different formats. Instead, with DeepStream's AI bid comparison, information is being ingested along with the responses and normalized side by side. It maps everything back to the RFX, including coverage, SLA commitments, subcontractor use, NOC reporting, remedies, access responsibilities, and also pricing assumptions, all in a single view. Suddenly, evaluators get a true apples-to-apples comparison without manual document digging. For example, at first glance, according to this head-to-head comparison, Redbox looks like the strongest commercial option. But the comparison reveals the critical nuance. Their coverage in South Wales and Scotland relies more heavily on partners, particularly out of hours. And this is the kind of risk that is easy to miss in traditional evaluation because it can be buried in supplier pros. That is, the AI has not changed any answers, it has made just the answer easy to evaluate. Finally, AI analytics brings everything together. Pricing grids, bid list data, scores, responses, scorer comments, and risk signals. At this stage, we are deciding how to award the business. Instead of defaulting to lowest and highest scores, the AI tests multiple award scenarios and identifies the best overall outcome based on built-in and custom prompts. The recommendation is a split award, matching each supplier to the regions, services, and risk profiles where they perform best. Blue line is used where it's commercially strong and operationally credible. Brown oak is used where coverage, emergency response, and NOC critical delivery matter most, while red box is kept for low-risk overflow. We can run further analysis, such as creating a line-by-line, region-by-region award table. All of the resulting charts, insights, and analyst notes can be then exported to a shareable canvas, making it easy to communicate recommendations and align stakeholders around the award decisions. This is the full value chain: faster RFX creation, smarter supplier comparison, and more defensible award decisions. DeepStream helps procurement teams move from documents to decisions in a fraction of the time with far greater clarity and control. And every recommendation is traceable back to supplier responses, pricing, scoring inputs, and evaluation criteria, making sure about transparency and auditable decision process. Are you ready to try DeepStream in practice?